In front of me is OPPO Reno 15F, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or turn off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Notifications and Quick Settings. Then scroll to select this option here, Manage All, right under More Settings and next to App Notifications. Easy to miss, but thanks to this section you can hit Recent at the top and sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all notifications, or only notifications already disabled. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, personally, I always recommend to pick one of your apps from here, because once you do, you will not only get access to the same switcher, but also all of those other options to adjust notifications for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!